Welcome to my Cancom Internet Provider review. Links to their services and plans are below. In this video, we'll explore Cancom's key features, target audience, and performance, helping you decide if they're the right internet provider for you. Cancom is a Canadian provider focused on affordable, reliable internet. Their plans cater to diverse needs, from light users to families and small businesses requiring high bandwidth. A standout feature is Cancom's flexible service options, including DSL, cable, and fiber where available. This lets you choose a plan matching your speed and budget. For homes, Cancom offers competitive download and upload speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Their higher-tier plans offer unlimited data, ideal for multiple devices and heavy internet use. Small businesses benefit from Cancom's customizable solutions designed for reliable, consistent performance. Notably, Cancom offers transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They aim for a straightforward experience, a refreshing change from larger providers. Their personalized customer service garners praise for quick responses and helpful technical and account assistance. While not nationwide, Cancom is a strong regional option, especially for those seeking lower costs than mainstream providers. Their localized service ensures solutions tailored to your specific area and infrastructure. In short, Cancom is excellent for users seeking affordable, flexible, transparent internet. Whether you're a casual user, heavy streamer, or small business owner, Cancom offers tailored plans and support. Check the links below for more information, and thanks for watching.